Speech latency is still a thing, but overall, Figure 03 shows how far humanoids have come in everyday interaction, even in casual settings. Then, almost at the same time, something happened in the consumer space that surprised a lot of people. So, Vita Dynamics launched its AI-powered robot dog under the VBot brand. The price was set at 9,988 RMB, roughly 1,368 US dollars, as an early bird offer. Within just 52 minutes, more than 1,000 units were sold. That's real demand, not hype clicks. The launch pushed related topics to number 7 on Weibo within 5 hours, and live streams around the product passed 10 million views. For a consumer embodied AI product at a 4-figure price, that's a big signal. What makes this robot dog stand out is that it's fully autonomous. No remote control, no constant human input. It runs 128 TOPS of on-device AI compute and uses LiDAR and depth vision, processing visual data locally to protect user privacy. The hardware is serious. It uses VBot's self-developed N45 permanent magnet joint motors with 24.5 Newton-meters of peak torque. It can tow up to 100 kilograms. Battery life is around 5 hours, and it supports wireless charging along with 240-watt USB-C fast charging. The founding team includes people from Horizon Robotics and Li Auto, and the design borrows heavily from electric vehicle architecture. Founder Yu Yinan described it as having a spatial intelligence system similar to autonomous driving stacks, plus an interactive cockpit for human-machine interaction. Public beta testing is planned for January 2026, with batch delivery starting in March. And honestly, that early sales spike is being seen as a real validation moment. It suggests that consumer-grade embodied intelligence is officially something people are willing to buy at scale. Now, while robot dogs were selling out online, humanoids were quietly replacing people on factory floors. CATL, the world's largest EV battery maker, launched what it says is the world's first large-scale humanoid robot-powered battery production line at its Luoyang facility in Henan. The humanoid robot, called Xiaomo, is now handling critical tasks in battery pack production. Xiaomo was developed by Spirit AI, a Hangzhou-based startup founded in 2024 and backed by CATL. The robot works in end-of-line and direct current internal resistance testing, which are the final checks before battery packs leave the line. These tasks used to require humans to manually connect high-voltage test plugs, which came with safety risks and inconsistent quality. Xiaomo uses an end-to-end vision language action model, giving it strong environmental perception and precise control. It handles uncertainty, adjusts posture and force in real time, and inserts and removes flexible wiring harnesses without damaging components. In real production, Xiaomo achieves over 99% connection success and matches the cycle times of skilled human workers. It also monitors wiring connections continuously and reports anomalies in real time, cutting defect rates. During downtime, it switches into inspection mode to further improve reliability. CATL says Xiaomo now handles continuous production across multiple battery models and delivers nearly 3 times the daily workload of manual labor, while staying consistent and stable. This rollout fits into CATL's broader dominance in EV batteries. From January to October, the company logged 355.2 gigawatt-hours of global installations, up 36.6% year-over-year, giving it a 38.1% global market share. In China alone, November installations hit 40.87 gigawatt-hours, or 43.71% of the market. And finally, looking ahead to early next year, one of the most iconic humanoids is about to step onto a global stage. Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics and backed by Hyundai Motor Group, is set to make its first live public demo at CES 2026 in Las Vegas. Hyundai plans to unveil its broader AI robotics strategy there, positioning robotics at the center of its future growth. Atlas has already been running pilot demos at Hyundai's EV plant in Georgia. Hyundai acquired Boston Dynamics in 2021 and has been steadily integrating robotics into its long-term plans. The company has announced around 50 trillion won, roughly $34 billion, in AI investment from 2026 to 2030, and plans to build a robot manufacturing plant in the US capable of producing 30,000 units a year. For people who've followed robotics for a long time, Atlas represents decades of progress, from early MIT Leg Lab experiments to modern humanoids walking into factories and trade shows. Anyway, that's where things are right now. Things are moving fast, and this space is getting real in a way it never has before. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.